What's up, guys? Jordan here with ZZ Diesel. Got a new product spotlight for you guys. This is something that a lot of people have been asking about. This product is going to be for your 2016 to 2020 2.8 liter Duramax, as well as your 2020 to 2025 3 liter Duramaxes. And this is the Smart Stop Auto Stop module. So this module goes in there to disable your auto stop start. So right now, from the factory, you guys have the button on your dash that every time you turn the vehicle on, you can disable that by turning the button off, so that when you come to a stop or you're idling, the vehicle shuts off, and then when you hit the accelerator to go through the stop, it will turn the vehicle back on. So this module here is going to disable that feature, so that every time you shut the truck off and turn it back on, you don't have to constantly disable the button. It's really easy, straightforward install, guys. We'll show you the install video.
All right, here we are working on the 3 liter Duramax. And on this, contrary to the instructions that come with it, the battery is on the passenger side versus traditionally on the driver's side in the gas. So the biggest thing here is you're locating the battery, negative terminal, 2-wire connector on the negative terminal. It's got a little red lock tab on that connector body. You're going to unclip that, unplug it, install the Smart Stop in between there. So first, I'm going to take microfiber rag and just clean the side of the battery so that we can get that Velcro hook and loop to stick to the side there. All right, I do encourage you read through all the instructions prior to doing this. The instructions will highlight the vehicle needs to be shut off and the doors should not be opened or closed for 2 minutes prior to unhooking this 2-wire connector. My truck's been sitting here for a few hours, so we're all good to go, but make sure you follow those instructions. First step, I'm going to take a little pick, hook that lock tab. Once you got that lock tab all the way back, you should be able to press on that little auxiliary lock with your tool as well. That'll unhook that connector body. I'm going to move this out of my way so I can pre-install the Smart Stop auto module with the Velcro down on the battery. All right, once that Velcro is stuck on there, you will take the single black wire and set it on top of your ground terminal. You do not take the nut off. You will simply put the supplied nut on top and sandwich that eyelet in between. Use the supplied 10mm wrench and tighten that down. You will then plug male to female, female to male. This Smart Stop module is going to be in between the factory connections. Make sure your locks are installed and use the supplied zip ties to tie this out of the way. As you can see, I just used one of the supplied zip ties to keep everything out of the way. Now that it's installed on the vehicle, you hop in the driver's seat, go ahead and start the vehicle like normal. You will notice here in the center console where your auto start button is located, it will remain illuminated no matter the functionality of it. So you can still flip through on or off on the dash. Just know that it will never be active. So it'll always be in the off position, even if the dash says that it's in the on position.
The one thing about this module I will tell you guys is you're going to have, once you do the install, you're going to need to keep the vehicle powered down for approximately 6 to 8 hours. If you do the install on it and then you go and start the vehicle, when you shut it off or come to a stop, your auto stop start is still going to engage until this module basically does a relearn on itself where everything's powered down for that 6 to 8 hours, then your module will start working. So if you run into that kind of instance after you've installed this module, don't worry about it, don't freak out. It will correct itself the next time you power down the vehicle overnight or whatever. It will start working again. The other thing is that if you need to remove this module, it will automatically reset everything back to the factory setting to where your stop start button will engage again. The part number on our website is GM2, so check that out, zzdiesel.com, or give us a call. This is something we can definitely install on your truck for you guys. Hassle-free. If you just want us to do the install for you here in our shop, we can definitely get this set up for you. Give us a call. The number is 800-749-0688.